Hi, good morning students. How are you? I hope all are safe at home. Okay, now we can discuss the another property of integers. In your previous class we discussed two properties. What are they? Closure property and commutative property. What do you mean by closure property? Closure property means the numbers and the result are in the same number system. Which number system? Integers. And second property, commutative. Commutative means if we add two integers in any order, we get the same answer. A plus b is equal to b plus a. Then the next property is associative property. In associative property, we consider as three integers. In your previous class, we discussed about commutative property. At that time, we consider only two integers a and b. A plus b is equal to b plus a. In this case, we consider as three integers in associative property. Okay, these are examples for positive integers 5, 10, 8. Positive integers are also integers. Okay, now we add these integers 5 plus 10 plus 8 and 5 plus 10 plus 8. What's the difference between these two things? In this case, first case, we add the second and the third integer, then the first. The second case, we add the first and second integer, then the third one. Okay, now we can see that if we consider the first case, 5 plus 10 plus 8, we priority to give into the bracket side. Okay, first we consider as 5 plus 10 plus 8. We add the second and third integer. Okay, first one, we add the second and third integer. 10 plus 8 is 18. You know, 10 plus 18, 8 is 18. And the first integer become 5. 5 plus 18, the answer become 23. The second case, we add the first and second integer. 5 plus 10 plus 8. We priority to add the first and second integer because it is included in a bracket. 5 plus 10 is 15 and the third integer is 8. 15 plus 8 is 23. Okay, in the both cases, the first and second cases, we get the same answer. In first case, we add the second and third integer, then the first. In second case, we add the first and second integer, then the third one. In both cases, we get the same answer. Okay, it means 5 plus 10 plus 8 is equal to 5 plus 10 plus 8 because 23 is equal to 23. In two cases are same. Okay, now consider the another case. Now we consider the negative integers minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. Negative integers are also integers. Okay, now we can add these integers minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 5 and minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 5. The first case, we add the second and third integer, then the first, and the second case, we add the first and second integer, then the third one. One thing, the negative integers must have a bracket. Okay, negative integers must have a bracket. Okay, consider the first case, minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 5. Okay, the other bracket are given in minus 2 plus minus 5. Okay, minus 2 plus minus 5 is simple because both of them are negative integers. How can add? We add the integers and put the sign of negative. 2 plus 5 is 7 and put the sign of negative, we get minus 7. Okay, the first integer is minus 3. Minus 2 plus minus 5 we get minus 7. Okay, minus 3 plus minus 7. Both of them are negative integers. We add the numbers and put the sign of negative. We get the answer minus 10. In the second case, minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 5. Plus minus 5. The priority is given. Add the first and second integer. Okay, minus 3 plus minus 2. Both of them are negative integers. 3 plus 2, 5. And negative sign, we get minus 5. and third integer is minus 5. Both minus 5 plus minus 5. What is the answer? Minus 5 plus minus 5. Both of them are negative integers. We add the numbers and put the sign of negative. 5 plus 5 is 10 and sign of negative with the answer minus 10. In both cases we get the same answer. Okay, if we consider the first slide, positive integer, we get the same answer in both cases. In this case we consider the negative integers, we get the same answer. It means if we add minus 3 plus minus 2 plus minus 5 and minus 3 plus minus 2 plus 5, the both result are same. Okay, similarly consider minus 3, 1, minus 7. It's a combination of positive and negative integers. Minus 3, minus 7 are negative integers and 1 is the positive integer. Okay, now in this case, if we add minus 3 plus 1 plus minus 7, one thing, the negative integers must have a bracket. Okay, minus 3 plus 1 plus minus 5. First we add the second and third integer, then the first. Okay, 1 plus minus 7. Positive and negative. How can I add? Subtract the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. 7 minus 1 is 6 and bigger number 1 or 7? 7. The sign of bigger number is minus. We get the answer minus 6. Okay, the first integer is minus 3 and we add the second and third integer, we get the result as minus 6. Minus 3 plus minus 6, both of them are negative integers. 3 plus 6, 9. And put the sign of negative, we get the answer minus 9. Okay, in the second case, we add the first and second integer, minus 3 plus 1. Positive and negative. We subtract the numbers and put the sign of bigger number. 3 minus 1 is 2 and bigger number is 3. The sign of bigger number is negative. We get the answer minus 2. Then the third one, we add minus 7. Minus 2 plus minus 7. Both of them are negative. 2 plus 7 is 9 and put the sign of negative, we get the answer minus 9. Okay, in all cases consider positive, negative or the combination of positive or negative, we add in any order, we get the same result. Okay, we add in any order, we get the same result. In general, for any integers a, b, c, we can say a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. It's very simple topic. If we consider any three integer, positive, negative or combination of positive or negative, we add in any order. It means if we add second and third, then it's equal to first and second, then the third. If we add in any order, we get the same result. You got it? And the next case is additive identity. It's a simple topic. If we add 0 with any types of number, we get that same number. Okay, first case, 5 plus 0. What is the result? 5 plus 0. 5 plus 0 is 5. Then the next, minus 6 plus 0. Minus 6. Minus 100 plus 0. Minus 100. 0 plus 10, 10, 0 plus minus 15, minus 15. It means if we add 0 with any number, we get that the same number. Then 0 is called additive identity. Once more, 0 is called additive identity. It means if we add 0 with any number, we get that same number. In general, for any integer a, consider any positive or negative, in any integer a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a. We get that the same number. Okay, today we discussed about two topics. First one is associative property. Associative property means if we consider any three integers, it means positive, negative or positive and negative, we add in any order, we get the same result. In general, consider any three integers a, b, c, we add in order a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, and the next topic is additive identity. Which is additive identity? 0 is the additive identity for integers. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, please contact me personally.